Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft's error. Login process isn't quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do is just click here and then type here device manager, and now go to this one, network adapters. Make sure to update all those adapters here from the first one into the last one, and it's easy. Just right click and then update and search automatically for drivers, and after that type here view network connections, and if you are using internet cable, click internet, and if you are using Wi-Fi, you will find here WLAN or Wi-Fi, and then just click on it and click properties and go to protocol internet version 4 and go to properties. You will find like that. Just select second one here and type here 88888844 and click OK, and then close it and close it again and restart your PC, and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like. See you in the next video.